All of us have had moments where we've been soldering in the shop or your workshop and you could use an extra set of hands. Well, here is a great solution. No, it's not human hands, but they're definitely helpful hands. Let's get this set up. We'll show you how it works. This does come with the metal base. All of these are magnetic. You got 2 of each height, plus this one that has a mount similar to what you would find on like an action camera, so you can clamp things into place. These little doodads here, I'll show you a picture that makes more sense. So you can see in the picture there, you can use them to hold printed circuit boards or any kind of other device from the side or to rest on top. This is going to be super handy. I really enjoy the fact that these are magnetic and I can put them on anything and use them even in the vehicle if I'm doing some soldering. I've got this alternator pigtail here that I need to extend each wire just a little bit. While this seems like a simple task, you're using the soldering iron with one hand and your solder with the other hand. Who's holding the wire? Who's holding the connector? And don't you hate when you're trying to solder them and they start touching together, or you accidentally get the hot part of your iron onto the insulation of another wire? This is going to avoid that. So we've got our connector clamped into place. We've got these 2 arms holding the wires here and these 2 holding the wires here. They're not going anywhere. We can go ahead and get started. On the bench, this makes for a nice clean job. Both hands are doing what they're supposed to be doing, operating the solder and the iron. Now we can move over to this classic Chevrolet truck that is made out of steel. So guess what? We get to steal the magnets from the base and use them on the vehicle to create a nice, clean, strong solder joint without fumbling around or having to ask somebody to give you a hand. And there you go, just like that, we have a nice, quality looking, well done, heat shrunk, soldered connection with no damage to anything else. We had a nice set of helping hands. If you're interested in this product, please visit the link below and go check it out. Thanks for joining me. Till next time, happy hot rodding.